Hey guys, part of a tune-up is changing your spark plugs on a vehicle, and today we're going to show you how to do that on this 2016 Chevrolet Cruze. Hey guys, Tim over here at Sapaugh GM Power. We're changing the spark plugs on this 2016 Chevrolet Cruze. It's very simple. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go ahead and remove this, which is the front cover. You just go ahead and lift up on it, and it pops right off, straight up. And then there's going to be an electrical connector over here. We're going to have to go ahead and pop this electrical connector off. So there is a purple CPA. You pull back on that, and that's going to allow you to get to the clip. So we just go ahead and push down on it, and then that actual connector will remove. And now this is where we're going to use that T30 Torx bit, and that's going to remove the coil pack itself. So we'll go ahead and do that. So once that's off, now this is a coil on plug, so we need to be very careful in removing this to make sure the boots don't come off. So we want to lift up evenly on both sides, and that's where this trim tool will come into place. And then when that's popped off, we'll go ahead and remove it, and then you can see this is your coil pack, and these are your coil on plugs. So we'll go ahead and set that out of the way, and then at this point, that gives you access to your spark plugs. At this point, you're going to use your spark plug remover, which is a socket, and we're going to go ahead and put that on, and then we'll go ahead and use this ratchet, and we'll go ahead and remove the spark plug. Come out very easy. And then there's the old spark plug. So we'll go ahead and remove that, and these are iridium plugs, and you never gap iridium plugs. They're gapped from the factory. You just go ahead and install them as is. You never want to use an impact on installing a spark plug, because if you were to cross thread it, you're going to have to remove the cylinder head to fix that. So we're going to go ahead and install the new spark plug by hand, make sure it goes in real easy. So we'll tighten that down, and then you're going to use a torque wrench, and you want to torque these to 18 foot-pounds, which is GM spec for these. So we'll go ahead and torque those to spec. So after you install your last spark plug, which we just torqued to spec, we're going to go ahead and reassemble the vehicle. So the first thing you want to do is you want to put your coil pack back on. You push down on it evenly. And then we're going to go ahead and tighten those T30 Torx bits. You will reinstall the electrical connector. And then we'll go ahead and put this cover back on. Just snaps right into place. And then we're all finished. Hey guys, thanks for tuning into this week's episode of Tech Tip Tuesday with Tim. If you guys have any other questions or concerns, give us a call at 636-931-0055. You can always make a service appointment online at sapaugh.com. And if you guys like this video or any of our other videos, subscribe to our YouTube page.
Sapaugh GM Power.